Hi guys, it's Angie with Fun Endeavors Tie-Dye Lab. Today I'm going to make another fun spiral with some of that leftover dye that I had from making all of my color swatches. I'm going to speed the video up, but all the information about the dyes that I used and everything else is down below in the description. I'll be back at the end though with the reveal. Alright, so this is how it turned out. What do you guys think? I'm not really sure how I feel about this one. I had several spiral shirts tied up and I thought I had grabbed a center spiral shirt to apply the dye to. I didn't realize that I had grabbed one of the corner spiral shirts. The colors that I used on this shirt are Pomegranate from Dharma, Bordeaux from Pro Chemical and Dye, True Violet from Grateful Dyes, Peach from Dharma, and True Purple from Grateful Dyes. I've used the Bordeaux before, but all the rest of the colors are new to me. And I really like all the colors, but I'm not sure I like them together. What do you guys think? Drop me a comment down below and let me know what you think about these colors. The peach is the one that kind of throws me. I don't really like it with the purples and the reds so much. But if you've enjoyed the video, please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have a great day.